To install this cluster lashes for the very first time by myself. I don't know, I'm nervous, but let's see how it goes. So the first instruction, the first step says prepare lash line with an eyelash coiler. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go with what I have. Step 2 says brush on a thin layer of lash bond. Wait 25 to 30 seconds. Let's do that. I have my lash bond here. So I'm just going to do is use this right here to brush it up. I know, but my mirror is over here, so I'm just going to look at the mirror. Thin layer. My goodness. What? How many lash bond do we have here? Sorry, I'm trying to discover something. Okay, thin layer, thin layer. Okay. I'm already tearing. Okay. Oh god. I have tears in my eyes. So we should wait for it 25 to 30 seconds. While I'm waiting, let's get started. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but oops. I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. Okay. I don't want it too long, but so let's start with the oh my goodness, I don't know. Okay, let's go with this one first. Oh, speaking something different. Okay, I don't think it's gonna work for me. Oh my. Okay, I know what to do now. I'm just going to do the wrong thing, guys. I don't know. I don't think I can do this. I will do it. I will do it. Honestly, I quit. I give up. I bought mission. Mission unaccomplished. Like, please, you people make it seem so easy. You just go this da 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 da. Ah, no, it's not that easy. It's not that simple, guys. Come on, put it on the step. Oh no, 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 no. Now I know why these people charge so much money to get your lash tech charge so much. It's not easy. I beg. I quit. I quit. Maybe I probably gonna try it again, but now I quit. I'm tired. I just came out from the shower and I just want to I just want to go and sleep.